48 multiplication facts kailangan isuulo with 3 multiplication properties. 0 property of multiplication states that any number multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Identity property of multiplication for 1 states that changing the order states that any number multiplied by 1, the product is the number being multiplied by 1. Commutative or order property of multiplication states that changing the order of the factors does not change the product. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 8 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. 11 times 11 equals 121. 12 times 12 equals 144. 13 times 13 equals 169. 14 times 14 equals 196. 15 times 15 equals 225.
Yay! Good job!